Welcome to the first in a series of videos from FTW Training, explaining what will take place on a novice forklift truck operator's course. These courses usually last around 5 days. Today we're going to concentrate on day one of the course and let you know what to expect. The first session will take place in a classroom. During this session there's an explanation of the whole course. You'll be given a journal from your instructor which holds all documentation for each candidate. In that training journal there will be a page for ID checks, there will be a health declaration, there will be an explanation of the testing procedures for the course, tips on how to operate the forklift truck whilst you're on the course. Also in that session there is an opportunity to ask any questions that you may have to your instructors and also allay any fears that you may have and put learners at ease during that introduction. This session will be an introduction to the truck and also a pre-use check. You will complete a pre-use check before operating the truck. This consists of a check of 32 components ranging from the steering wheel to the braking system to the hydraulic system, checking your seat belt and horn are working and all the electrics. The reason we do this check is to make sure that the truck is safe and fit for purpose. This check is documented on a sheet which you will be given by your instructor and is always kept close to the truck. You will do this every shift and also you will have to complete a pre-use check on your final testing day. So this session is basic steering. This is the first time you as a learner will physically be on the truck. The point of this exercise is to learn how the truck reacts to movement, how it reacts to small turns of the steering wheels. It shows you how the truck moves and how it stops. Look at how to accelerate and how to brake. Also how to gauge a safe speed to enable you as the operator to control the truck safely. We've learned how to steer the truck in a straight line. We've learned how to bring the truck to a controlled stop. Now we're going to look at turning the truck. Look at how the truck turns in a tight area. Look at the turning point of the truck. Watch how small movements of the steering wheel allow you to turn the truck in a tight area. Watch the front swing of the truck and watch how the back end of the truck swings out as you turn. And then look at how you readjust to straighten the truck up again. This session shows the skills required to be able to effectively control and manoeuvre the truck in a tight area. Look how close the wheels are kept to the cone when turning. Look how the operator always looks in the direction of travel, also keeping an eye out for any obstacles. Look at the constant speed of the truck. This allows you to keep full control throughout the operation. In this session, we do exactly the same operation but in reverse. Look at how this differs from doing the movement in forwards. See how the operator has changed position, adjusted their body, allowing full vision of the direction in which they are travelling. We hope this video was informative and useful. If you require any further information, please contact us on the details which are on screen now.